Hello, hi Asad. This is my daily checklist video. Today I am also work at 9 in the morning, and first time I check my beta team and also rental channel, and then I add my KGG and go to my daily schedule work. And today my schedule was as assigned for me. Today I work on Frontier. Yesterday I work on RSR. Today I work on Frontier, and making ready. And in the meantime, you called and have a good meeting with you. And I also, after your meeting, I saw the whole video of today's meeting, and also follow your instruction, and I check on transportation site and watch that video and try to understand what will you do. You said tomorrow you will give me the password to sign in of this site. So after then I will work on that. So today I work on AB Frontier and got some products also, and set it on here. And there is remain IBM and Amazon. So tomorrow I will research on remain products. So, and I also check on my KG and also look overall my work. So that is my work schedule today. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.